Ooh, a package. Okay. What's up, guys? Today I am going to unbox the package. Let's see what's inside. Oh wait, I can do it like this. Whoa, look at all this fire alarm connections. And look at this. I wonder what's inside of this. I need scissors. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is a Simpson sensor spectral alert. Here it is. And take a look inside. We got a rectangle fire alarm. Pretty nice. And I got a heat detector. Very cool. I got a new pole station. Nice, huh? Alright, let's throw away from the tape my package got arrived. And a new spectral alert of ants. And here's another one. The one that I got it from the 6th or 5th fire alarm, I think. And here's the fire, the no strobe right here. And the last fire alarm, I got this. Oh, that's the end. Bye-bye.